Hi, this is Samit from Bista Solutions, and I'm here to present to you integration of OpenERP with Arena Bomb Control. OpenERP is an open source tool with business suite applications such as sales, warehouse, manufacturing, accounting, and HR to name a few. And Arena is a cloud-based manufacturing tool. So we will be seeing the integration of both. So let me take you to OpenERP. So I'm here in products list view of OpenERP and I've searched for a product. I'll open the information of this product. So here I see in the information ECN, that is effective change number. This all information will be updated from Arena. It has ECN number, active date, Arena link, ECN effective date, revision, release date, and if we don't want to create a bomb, we can click on this checkbox. So this same product will search on Arena. So I'll take you to Arena right now. So here we are in Arena and we have this same item over here. Its stage is in design. We will check the specs for this product. So here I see the information, the revision number, and the item creation date. Now what we will do is we'll add this product to change. So I'll click on add to change. I'll say create new change. I'll change the number to ECO and I'll say test 1. Define the default values and I say enter change details. So here I get my product 80 DDP 10 BGE. I say specify items to this change. I say select action as make working revision effective. So we want to make this revision effective. Here I give the new revision number, say FA1. And right now I will not modify anything else. I'll just say specify views. Okay, so we have it here and I say submit for approval. So once you submit for approval, this change will be effective. Make change effective. Now we will go, this change is effective. You can see effective as of 11/21/2012. We'll go to the dashboard of Arena. So I go here and we can see the integration tab says one update is queued. Okay, now we will go to OpenERP. So I'll go to the tab where we have the information, the configuration information for bringing in the Arena details into OpenERP. So that is in manufacturing, configuration, Arena. So we have this configuration Java code which brings in the modified information from Arena as in the form of XML files, and these XML files are processed by the module, OpenERP module, which is built by Bista Solutions. So I'll click on run the Java code, which will bring me the XML files. And I'll click on import products from those XML files. Successfully imported items from Arena. Now we'll go back to the tab where we have that product in OpenERP, 80 DDP 10 BGE, and I'll click on refresh over here, we have previous revision as G. I'll just click on refresh over here so that we see the changes. So here we'll see in information the same product, ECN is updated to ECO 000032. Effective date is 11/21/2012, and we modified the revision to FA1, so we can see it here. And also we got the link. So if I click on this link and I go to this tab, that product will open up over here. So directly we can open the arena item from OpenERP. Okay, so this was about a revision. Now next we'll go and do modification in a bill of materials. So if I see in bill of materials of this products, it has components, you can see here. So once again, if you want to modify any of the bill of materials, we need to again add this to change. So we'll click on add to change. We'll say create new change. Here I select on ECO change number, and I'll say test 2, and I'll say enter change details. I'll select this item DDP 10GP. I'll say make this revision effective, and here I'll give the revision number as FA2, and I'll say bill of materials I want to modify. So I'll click on bill of materials and I say specify views. So here I'll just expand this to check the views. Here I get the bomb. I click on bomb, and I'll modify, say 61129. I'll make it as quantity as 2 from 1. So I'll say 2 over here, and I'll save the changes. Now I'll go to the last change which I was working on. So this change, I'll just click on submit for approval. And specify the password to make the change effective. So here this change is effective, so we'll go to the dashboard to check the update. So here it says one update is queued up. Now I'll go to OpenERP and I'll run the Java code. This will bring the XML files from Arena into a folder specified over here. Now I'll run import products, which will take information from XML and create the required BOM elements into OpenERP. Now I'll go to the BOM element of OpenERP. So I click on manufacturing, master data, bill of materials, and in the part ID I'll specify the part ID we were working on, the item ID which we were working on earlier. So here we got the part ID. I'll open this part ID. So we can see here the part ID and the components of it. Just to mention, we had modified 61, 1, 2 and 29 from 1 to 2. So this information is carried over here. You can see here 61, 129 has the new product quantity. Also we can go in the product, that is the part ID. So from here we'll go to the product to check if the revision information is updated or not. So we see here ECO 33 and the revision is FA2, which is updated. Now next change what we are going to see is bringing in the vendor information from Arena. So first let's check in OpenERP for this product what are the preferred vendors. So here's the tab suppliers. So you see here in OpenERP there is no supplier right now. Now for the same product, let's go to Arena and check for vendor details. So I'll go to Arena. I'll go to the product which we were working on, and I'll check the sourcing. Okay, so here there's no sourcing right now. So let's add this product in change so that we can specify the vendors. So I'll add this product to change. Once again I'll say create new change. Select ECO and say test. I'll say test 04A and I'll say enter change details and specify the same item, that is 80 DDP 10 BGE. I'll make this revision as effective, so select that action. Here I'll say I want to first I'll specify the revision number, which I'll say FA say 13, and here I say I want to modify sourcing, so I'll specify this view. I'll expand this. I'll click on sourcing. So here I'll go here and say create new relationship. There is no sourcing right now for this product, this item. I'll click on specify vendor item. So here I'll type in say accurate and supplier. So I got this item, accurate screw machining company. I'll say use custom made supplier item for this. So here I got this supplier. I'll save the relationship. So this information is saved over here. Now I'll go to the change which I was working on, and I'll make this change effective by approving it. So I'll click on submit for approval. Specify the password. So here I've specified the password and this change is effective. You can see it from the dashboard. Yes, one update is queued up. Now we will go to OpenERP and execute the Java code. Click on run Java code. This will bring in the XML files. And finally I'll click on import products, which will update the information from that XML file into OpenERP. Now let's go to that product which we were working on, this DD series 80DDP10BGE, and this is the previous information, and we'll just click on refresh over here. So here we got the ECN, new ECN ECO34. The revision number is updated, FA13. Release date is updated. Now we will go to the suppliers tab. Click on suppliers tab. So here we see the new vendor which was assigned to Arena is updated over here. IQ 2008. If I open this, you can see more information. IQ 2008, which is nothing but accurate screw machine go. So this is how we saw updating products, the vendors attached to the products, and the bill of materials and their components update from Arena into OpenERP. Thank you.